Hello friends, this is Samuel once again from Sony Tech. Okay, so in this one I'll be creating this beautiful profile screen UI in React Native using Expo. Okay, so I've divided the screen into three parts. So we have the top part, the middle part, and the bottom part. And I've also created the card component. I'll walk you through how I did that. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, you're interested in stuff related to web development, PC tricks, tech trend, consider subscribing, and this is the right place for you. Okay, so let's jump right in. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of some stuff in the app.js. Before we continue, let me show you the card component. I'll be explaining to you what I have here in the GV when we get to that part. Okay. Okay, so I copy pasted this view and text here to save time. Okay, so now we're done with our middle components. Okay, so now let's head over to our bottom JS component. Okay, so at this point I'll be adding my card component. I've already created a card component. So here we have a view with some styling, here some views and some text. Okay, so since this is a component, I'll be using it. I set this to icon so I can change it. So I distracted the icon and the card text 1, card text 2, which are these ones here. Okay, so I'll be leaving the link to the source code in the description below. You can go through and try and understand. It's simple. Okay, so great. Okay, so now let's create our card component. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and copy my card component. So card 1, let's see. Okay, so let me duplicate this guy, and I want to pass in the props that I want this card to accept. So I'm going to accept an icon prop just as we have here. Okay, so I destructured the props I need to send so I can modify them. So I have the icon and the card text and card text too. Okay, so great. Okay, so now this one is going to take an icon. Okay, so guys, I copy pasted what I have here. So I have an icon, and I set it to the icon prop, and I set it to this font awesome graduation hat. Let me see, so you see what I have now. Okay, so and the card text one, which is 02 steps and card text education, and I gave it some styling and all that. Okay, so great. Outside this view, let me create another view, and I had to copy paste because of time, just to save some time. Okay, so let me pass in this text, and this is by Pro, and how many dollars? $23.49. Okay, so great. So let's apply our styling. So we have styles, style equals styles. So margin top of let's call our sizes medium, so 20, and you can close this guy up. And complete container, let's go to flex direction of row. Okay, so let me save this so you see what you're having. The direction of row, and that's why content of space between. Okay, so great. It's picking up the margin top of so excess. Okay, so I think this is 10. Okay, so great. So next is our card itself. So let's do a card, and we do background color of colors to secondary. Okay, so good. And we have the bottom section. Dark gray. Okay, so I'll be leaving the image to in the GitHub people so you can be checking and be playing around with the colors and the size and everything. Okay, so great. Okay, so now I'll front to it. Let's give it font size of 16. Okay, 16 is fine. And margin bottom of 5. Okay, let's see and see what we have. Okay, so it's coming out great. So now let's add a border. So border bottom color, that should be colors dots. Dark gray. and border bottom width. You can set that to 1 is fine. Okay, so did I mess out in it? Did I mess out in it? Okay, so now let me do some explanation here. Okay, so technically when you're working with this using components from this card.js, I also did something here, because when I basically import the card component side of the bottom screen, or the bottom component as well, I set the background color here to white, and when I do that, it's going to be white. So I destructured the style prop 2 as well, so I could pick it up here. So I then did style, so I can now use the style property and now give it the background color of my choice. Okay, so essentially guys, we've come to the end of our build. Hope this was a fantastic one, even though I was trying to copy paste code so that it will be very fast, but I hope you understood it. Please take your time and watch the video again. You can reduce the speed of the video as well. If you have any question, feel free to leave it in the comments, so I check it and reply you as soon as possible. Okay, so if you love my content, you can feel free to buy me a coffee, and don't forget to subscribe. Please like this video, please share and comment as well. Bye.